Hello students, welcome back to your grammar session. Now today we will continue with our chapter tenses. In the previous session we saw about simple present tense and today we will see about simple past tense and simple future tense. Now before starting the explanation in detail, read with me aloud. Rajneesh broke the glass. He went to watch the movie. Crackers exploded on Diwali. She visited the local newspaper office. Now, in this above sentences, the highlighted words are in the second form. Now, the first form was present tense. Now, the second form is past tense. Okay, it is past form of their verb. Always remember, whenever I am saying the second form, that means past form. Okay, and when the verb used is in its second form, that is past form, it is said to be in a simple past tense. Okay, जब भी हम वर्ड्स को सेकेंड फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. ओके, इट इज सेड टू बी इन अ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रजनीश ब्रोक द ग्लास मीन्स, ब्रोक मीन्स इट ऑलरेडी हैपन इन द पास्ट, पहले ही हो चुका है, तो दिस इज अ पास्ट टेंस. ओके, ही वेंट टू वॉच द मूवी मीन्स वो मूवी देखने गया था, मीन्स ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. So this broke, went, exploded, visited, that is all in a second form, that is in a past form, and so this is known as simple past tense. Okay, now we use the following formation to construct a sentence in a simple present tense. Okay, for example, subject plus verb, second form that is past form, and then other words. For example, the bomb made a loud sound. So the bomb is a subject, made is a second form, that is past form, and a loud sound is other word. Similarly, he helped the person stranded on the road. And the other example is the oil leaked from the containers. So the oil is subject and leaked is second form, and from the container is the other forms. Now we will see the use of simple past tense. First is to show habit of the past time. That is some habits we are having from a past time. For example, I played cricket in the streets in my childhood. Okay, in the childhood, like everybody is having some another games. I mean, they play regularly. So this is like it is a kind of a habit that occurs at the past time, like childhood. When we are talking about childhood, it is already our past. Okay, the second example is grandpa sipped tea in the balcony. Grandpa sipped means he has already done that thing in the past. Okay, so this is like habit, he is like regularly sitting and he is sipping his tea. The second form is to show action in stories. Okay, for example, the fox jumped towards the grapes. Okay, the old man mended the old shoes. Okay, this shows like jumped and mended. These words shows the action that is happening in the story. So this is also a simple past tense. Okay, that is already happened in the past and we are mentioning the words in the story. So this is also a way you can use the simple past tense. And the other is the uses of simple past tenses to tell an unreal, that is unreal talk, that is imaginary talk. Okay, जो कुछ भी real नहीं होता है, जो सिर्फ imaginary होता है. Okay, for example, if I scored good marks, I would get a new bicycle. Okay, this is not sure, this is just imaginary. अगर मैं good marks लाऊँ तो, so this is like good marks नहीं आए तो नहीं मिलेंगे. So this is only imaginary, that we are only thinking in our mind. And I have 5 crore rupees. If I had 5 crore rupees, I would buy a Ferrari. Okay, so this is also an imaginary thing. If I have, अगर मेरे पास होंगे तो, so this is also, that is unreal. Right now it is not real, but it is just an imaginary talk. Okay, Okay, now before going in detail for simple future tense, just read with me aloud. They will leave for Kerala tomorrow. Stay here. She will call after 2 minutes and she will participate in the debate competition. I shall go and meet her. Okay, now just pay attention on the words will leave, will call, will participate, and shall. Okay, now in the above sentences, the present form of the verbs are used with will or shall. Okay, अगर आपने नोटिस किया हो तो they will leave means leave क्या है, present form है. Okay, first form है, but this will be added with will or shall. If we are adding will or shall, it will go in the future tense. Okay, future form, that is they will leave for Kerala tomorrow. They will means अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, but वो होने वाला है. Okay, that is future. Stay here. She will call after 2 minutes. Okay, stay here means she will call. Will call means अभी तक उसने फ़ोन किया नहीं है. She will do. So this is also a future. Okay, she will do. Now she will participate. See again, and I shall go and meet her. अभी तक मिला नहीं है, लेकिन shall go and meet. So this is all in the past form. Okay, future form. We use the following formation to construct a sentence in simple future tense. For example, subject plus will, shall. Okay, will or shall, any one of these, plus verb, that is first form, plus other words. See, I told you, right, in the future form you have to always use first form of the verb, that is you have to use present form, but you have to use will or shall. For example, the actors will perform in the play. So the actors is subject, and will or shall, so we used will. And perform, now perform is a first form. Okay, and in the play is other form. Similarly, the flight will land in 25 minutes. The flight, that is subject, and we added will. Now land is first form of verb, and in 25 minutes is other words. Similarly, Meeta will talk to her friends, and I shall start going to park from tomorrow. So this is all about future, simple future tense. Now we will talk about uses of simple future tense. So the first is to tell future predictions. Okay, like future predictions means जो होने वाला है वो उसकी बात करेंगे तो. For example, the train will arrive at platform number 3. Okay, तो जो ट्रेन जो है वो अभी तक आई नहीं है, लेकिन it will come on platform number 3. Now India will win the World Cup. Okay, India will win, that is only prediction. हमें पता नहीं है, लेकिन just predict किया है that India will win the World Cup. Okay, and the other use is to make promises or offers. Okay, अगर हमें कुछ promise करना है तो, for example, I promise you that I will soon buy you a house. Okay, so this is like promise किया है, so I will soon buy. So this is what, that yet the house is not buy, but we will buy it in the coming days. Okay, in the coming future. And the second is, sir, our new offer will give you more benefits. Okay, so this is like offers. Sir, our new offer will give you, yet the offer is not given, but it will be given sooner. Okay, in the coming time period. So this you can use in this way, simple future tense. And the last uses of simple future tense is with conditional and purpose clause. That is, if India wins the match, I shall throw a party. Okay, conditional means अगर कंडीशन पे, अगर ये हुआ तो ही ऐसा होगा. ओके, अगर इंडिया मैच जीती है तो ही मैं पार्टी थ्रो करूँगा. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट कंडीशन. इफ इंडिया विन्स, अगर नहीं विन हुए तो देयर इज नो पार्टी. So this is with a condition, okay. And purpose clause means if you arrive late, you will stand outside the class. See again, if you arrive late in, okay, then you will stand outside the class. So this is what again a type of condition that you have to come early compulsory, otherwise कहाँ खड़े होना है class के बाहर. So this is all the uses of simple future tense. I hope you understood it very well, and do complete your exercise in a proper handwriting. Thank you.